Welcome all the viewers to my class today. We have started in our last class trigonometric ratios. There I have discussed on the 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And the relationship, not all the relationships, but just two relationships, that is tan theta, five relationships. The three are the reciprocal relation between them, that is sine cosec, cos sec, and tan cot. And the fourth and fifth one was tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. These five relations were discussed in our last class. Today we will start discussion on solving problems. Okay, let us start. Suppose for a real angle theta, you are given its cosine as 5/13, and you are asked to find the remaining 5 ratios. You know there are all 6 trigonometric ratios. One ratio is given, and you are asked to find the remaining 5 ratios. We will solve the problem in this way. First, we have to draw a right angle triangle. Say ABC is a right triangle at B, and say angle ACB is of measure theta. So we have to write this. Let ABC be a right angle at B, and angle ACB is theta. Now cos theta, that is cos angle ACB. Remember the second line, curly brown here. So brown here means base by hypotenuse. Now with respect to this angle, base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So the ratio will be BC by AC. Now it is given to you that cos theta is 5/13. So you have BC by AC as 5/13. That means BC is to AC is 5:13. So let BC is 5k unit and AC is 13k unit, where k obviously greater than 0. Now, as ABC is a right triangle, so we have the relation AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. AB square B square AC square. Now put the values here. We know AC is 13k units and BC is 5k units. We have to find AB. So make AB square as subject. AB square will be AC square minus BC square. So AC square is 13k whole square minus BC square is 5k whole square. Calculate this, you will get 12k whole square, because 169 minus 25 144, so this becomes 12k whole square. This is AB square equals, so therefore AB will get 12k. After getting AB, write it here, AB as 12k. Now proceed in this way. first find sine theta, that is here sine angle AC. Remember the first line, some people have, that means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this will be AB by AC. Your AB is 12K, AC is 13K. So you get sin theta 12 by 13. Then tan theta. Tan theta means tan of angle ACB. This will be AB by BC. You have AB 12K, BC 5K. So this becomes 12 by 5. Sin theta, tan theta, then cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, so 1 by sin theta. Your sin theta is 12 by 13, so this will be 13 by 12. Next, sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta was given 5 by 13. So your sec theta will be 13 by 5. And the last one is cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Your tan theta is obtained 12 by 5. So cot theta will be 5 by 12. So thus, for a given trigonometric ratio of some angle, we can find the other 5 ratios in this process. So, let us give you a homework. Suppose tan theta equals to 7 by 24 and you are asked to find the remaining 5 ratios. Okay? Next question, the answers will be sin theta will be 7 by 25, cos theta will be 24 by 25, and theta is given. Cosec theta, this will be 25 by 7. Sec theta, this will be 25 by 24, and cot theta, this will be 24 by 7. So, solving this, it will be more clear to you. Our next question is, ABC is a right triangle, right angle at B such that AB is, BC is, find all ratios of the angles A and C. This is triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB is 15 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter, and you are asked to find all the trigonometric ratios of the angle A and angle C separately. So first we have to find length of the side AC. Now from triangle ABC we have Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That implies AC is root over of AB square plus BC square, root over of 15 square plus 8 square centimeter, that is 17 centimeter. After getting this, now let us first find ratios of angle A. So first write sin A. Sin A means sin angle BAC. So with respect to this angle, perpendicular will be BC. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AC. write 17 centimeter here. So this will be 8 by 17. Next, cos A. That means cos angle BAC. With respect to this angle, base will be AB, curly brown here, base by hypotenuse. So this will be AB by AC. 15 by 17. Tan A. Tan angle BAC. This will be BC by AB. 8 by 15. Now write the reciprocals here. Cosec A. Cosec A will be 17 by 8. Sec A will be 17 by 15. Then cot A. Cot A will be 15 by 8. Okay. So we have calculated all the ratios of the angle A. Now it is your part to find the ratios of the angle C. I am just giving you the answer. You have to do the total calculation at your own to clear the fact. Here sin C will be P by 8, that is 15 by 17. Cos C will be 8 by 17. Tan C will be 15 by 8. Next, cosec C will be 17 by 15. Sec C will be 17 by 8. Cot C, this will be 8 by 15. Next, ABC is a right triangle that B and BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC. Find the trigonometric ratios of angle ABD. Angle ABD and angle DBC. You are asked to find ratios of these two angles. You are given that AB is of length 8 cm, AB is of length 8 cm, and BC is of length 15 cm. So let us first find length of AC. We know AC is root over of AB square plus BC square. That is root over of 8 square plus 15 square centimeter, that is 17 centimeter. Write it here. Now, look, angle ABD, angle ABD plus angle DBC is how much? 90 degree. Again, angle DBC plus angle DCB. This is also 90 degree because as this is 90 degree and DBC is a triangle, so sum of three angles is 180 degree. As angle BDC 90 degree, so these two angles are complementary. So that's why angle DBC plus angle DCB is 90 degree. So we can write this to sum equal. That implies we can write ABD plus DBC is equals to DBC plus DCB. Look, DBC will be cancelled from both sides, so you get ABD equals to DCB. So this angle actually goes to this angle. That is angle ABD. This will be equals to angle ACB because DCB and ACB are same angles. So if we consider this angle is alpha, so this angle will also be alpha. Next, ABD plus DBC 90 degree, okay. Again, from triangle ABD we have ABD plus angle BAD. This is also 90 degree because this angle is right angle, so these two angles must be complementary. So that's why angle ABD plus angle BAD is 90 degree. Similarly, we can write these two sum equal, that is ABD plus DBC equals to ABD plus BAD. Now we cancel ABD from both sides, so we get DBC equals to BAD. This angle equals to this angle. So if we consider this angle as beta, this angle will also be beta. So that is we get angle DBC is actually angle BAC, total angle BAC. Okay. Now let us find the required ratios. First we find ratios of angle ABD. So sine angle ABD, we have deduced that angle ABD is same as angle ACB. So this will be sine of angle ACB. Sine of angle ACB. So the side opposite to angle ACB is AB, P and H is AC. So this will be AB by AC. Your AB is 8, AC is 17. So you get sine angle ABD as 8 by 17. Similarly, cos angle ABD. This will be ultimately cos angle ACB. This will be BC by AC. Curly brown hair, brown base BC, hypotenuse AC. So this becomes 15 by 17. Next, tan angle ABD, that is tan angle ACB. This will be turned permanently black, perpendicular by base, AB by BC. This will be 8 by 15. Next, cosec angle ABD. Cosec angle ABD. This will be reciprocal of sine. Sine was 8 by 17, so this will be 17 by 8. Next, sec angle ABD. This will be reciprocal of cos. This will be 17 by 15. Cot angle ABD. Reciprocal of tan. So this will be 15 by 8. So we have find all the 6 ratios of angle ABD. So in the similar way, we can find ratios of angle DBC, because DBC is identically equal to angle BAC. So this is kept to you for your homework. So I am writing just answer to check your working, but you have to do the total thing at your own. First, sine angle DBC. This will be sine of this angle. This will be BC by this, that is 15 by 17. Next, cos angle DBC. Cosine of this 8 by 17. Tan angle DBC. Tan of this, that is 15 by 8. Cosec of DBC, reciprocal of this, that is 17 by 15. Sec angle DBC, reciprocal of this, that is 17 by 8. Cot angle DBC, reciprocal of this, that is 8 by 15. Okay. Next question. Suppose this angle is theta and this angle is phi. This length is 14 centimeter. This length is 12 centimeter. BD, this is 13 centimeter. In the adjacent diagram, AB is 14 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter, BD is 13 centimeter, angle DAB is theta and angle DBC is phi. You are asked to find trigonometric ratios of theta and phi. I will do ratios of theta, you have to do ratios of phi. Let us first find the length DC from triangle DBC. DC will be root over of BD square minus BC square. Root over of BD square is 13 square, BC square is 12 square centimeter, so this will be 5 centimeter. So you got DC as 5 centimeter. As DC is 5 centimeter, therefore EB equals to BC is also 5 centimeter because they are opposite sides of rectangle. So your AE will be 14 minus 5, that is 9 centimeter. ED will also be 12 centimeter because it is rectangle. ED equals to BC equals to 12 centimeter. Now, from triangle AED, sin theta, that means sine of angle EAD. Some people have, so we have to find the AD first. Now, before this, we have to calculate AD. AD will be root over of AE square plus EB square. Root over of AE square. AE is how much? 9. ED is 12. 9 square plus 12 square centimeter. This will be 15 centimeter. So we get AD as 15 centimeter. Here I am erasing this because all the data are shifted to my diagram. Now sin theta from triangle AEB. Sin theta means sine of angle EAB. This will be P by A, that is ED by AD. ED is 12, AD is 15 centimeter. This will be 4 by 5. Next, cos theta. Cos of angle EAD. This will be AE by AD. 9 by 15. So this is 3 by 5. Next, tan theta. Tan of angle EAD. Turn permanently black, P by B, that is ED by AE. By 9, that is 4 by 3. Now cosec theta will be its reciprocal. Cosec theta will be 5 by 4. Sec theta will be its reciprocal, that is 5 by 3. and cot theta will be 3 by 4. So I have calculated all the 6 ratios of the angle theta. Now it is your duty to find all the ratios of 5. I am giving the answer to tally it, but you have to do the total work at your own. Sin phi will be 5 by 13. Cos phi will be 12 by 13. Tan phi will be 5 by 12. Cosec phi will be 13 by 5. Sec phi will be 13 by 12 and cot phi will be 12 by 5. Okay. Next question. ABC is a right triangle at B. Where AC is 20 centimeter. AC is given to you 20 centimeter. Tan angle ACB is 3 by 4. Tangent of this angle is given. In triangle ABC, you have angle ABC is 90 degree, AC is 20 centimeter, and tangent of the angle ACB, this is given to be 3 by 4. These are all given facts. To find, you have to find length of AB and BC. AB and BC. Solution. We have tan angle ACB, tangent of this angle, turn permanently black, P by B, that is AB by BC, and this is given to be 3 by 4. Therefore, AB by BC is equal to 3 by 4. That implies AB is to BC is 3 is to 4. So let AB equals to 3K and BC equals to 4K. K is a constant more than 0. Now, as ABC is a right triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem we can write AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Your AB is 3K, 3K whole square, BC is 4K, 4K whole square equals to AC is 20 square. Look, this is 9K square, this is 16K square. If we add them, we get 25K square equals to 400. 20 square is 400. Then we get K square equals to 16 because 400 by 25 is 16. That implies K equals to 4. Minus 4 is rejected because K is considered to be positive. K equals to 4. Then we get AB. AB was 3K centimeter. You have to write here centimeter. 3K centimeter, that is 3 into K is 4 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter. And your BC will be 4K, that is 4 into 4 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter. So you obtain AB as 12 centimeter and BC as 16 centimeter. Okay. Next question. PQR is a right triangle at Q. R is a right triangle at Q. Find tan P minus cot R. You are asked to find tan of angle P, that is angle QPR, minus cot of R. Cotangent of the angle R, that is cotangent of the angle PR. Solution. We have tan of P, that means tan of angle QPR. Look, when angle QPR is considered, then QR is your perpendicular, PQ is your base. So perpendicular by base, so this will be QR by PQ. Next, cot angle R. Cot R, that means cot of angle PRQ. Cotangent of this angle. Now your perpendicular will be PQ, opposite to this angle, and QR will be base. Cotangent is base by perpendicular, so this will be QR by PQ. Look, these two are identical, therefore 0. Next question. Given sin A is 3 by 5. You find tan A plus AC. You are asked to find this. Let us consider the triangle in this way. ABC is a right triangle at C, and you are given sine of this angle A. Solution. Sine A, that is sine of angle BAC. Sine of this angle, the perpendicular will have to be, so this will be BC by AC. And this is given to be 3 by 5, therefore you can write BC by AC is 3 by 5, that means BC is to AC is 3 is to 5. So let BC equals to 3K and AC equals to 5K. BC equals to 3K and AC equals to 5K. Now let us find AC. So your AC square will be AB square minus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. AB is 5K whole square minus BC is 3K whole square. This is 25K square minus 9K square. So this will become 16K square. So AC square is 16K square. So your AC will be 4K. So we get AC as 4K. Now we have to find just tan A and sec A, just two ratios. I am using this. Tan A, tangent of this angle will be BC by AC, perpendicular by this, turn permanently back. So BC is 3K, AC is 4K, so you get 3 by 4. Sec A. Sec A is reciprocal of cos. Curly brown hair, hair brown. So this will be AB by AC. Look, cosine of this angle was curly brown hair, AC by AB. So sec will be AB by AC. So your AB is 5K, AC is 4K. So this becomes 5 by 4. Now tan A plus sec A. Tan A is 3 by 4 and sec A is 5 by 4. So 8 by 4, this is 2. The answer is 2. Next question. Keep it as homework. Given cosec A equals to 2. To find 1 by tan A plus sin A by 1 plus cos A. Your answer will be 2. Do it your own. Next, let us go to the last question of today's class. This is question number 9. Given cot A, it is b by a, small b by small a, and to prove to prove 2 sec A plus 1 by cos A plus 2 is equals to root over of a square plus b square by b. Root over of a square plus b square by b. First, let us draw a triangle. See, this is A, this is B, this is C. So let us consider right triangle at C. You are given cot A. So cot A, that is cot of angle BAC. Turn permanently black. So B by P, this will be AC by BC. And this is B by A. So you can write AC is to BC as B is to A. So let AC equals to BK and BC equals to AK. K is a constant positive. Now from the triangle we have by Pythagoras theorem, AB is root over of BC square plus AC square. So BC square, this will be AK whole square plus AC is BK. BK whole square root over of A square into A square plus B square. So ultimately get K into root over of A square plus B square. Write these values in the diagram. AC is BK, AC is BK, BC is AK, and AB calculated is K into root over of A square plus B square. Now let us find these ratios. Sec A, reciprocal of cos, so H by AB, that is AB by AC. AB is K into root over of A square plus B square by AC is BK. K cancelled, so you get 1 by B root over of A square plus B square. This is sec A. And the cos A will be its reciprocal. B by root over of A square plus B square. Now LHS. LHS is 2 sec A plus 1 by cos A plus 2. Now substitute their values. Sec A is root over of A square plus B square by B twice this plus 1. Cos A is this, that is b by root over of a square plus b square plus 2. Now multiply both n and b by b into root over of this. So this will be 2 into a square plus b square plus b into root over of a square plus b square by, here it will be b square plus 2b root over of a square plus b square. Let us erase this part. Now take common root over of a square plus b square from numerator. You get 2 root over of a square plus b square plus b. Take b common from the denominator. You get b plus 2 root over of a square plus b square. Look, these two factors are identical, so they will be cancelled. So you ultimately get root over of a square plus b square by b, and this is RHS. Okay. So let us end today's class here. In the next class, we will solve more problems on this chapter to clarify your knowledge. Till then, goodbye. Bye.